Your job is for me to tell you and for you to tell me what you think we are facing challenges. If you are comfortable with that, then we can now cascade it to the governor's office. But the responsibility of the senator purely is to make sure that I act as the interface between yourselves and this committee and the Senate. I know, secondly, the other issue that you didn't raise is your salaries. We are actually engaged on that matter. All right, it's a very sensitive issue in Kenya, but the truth is, how do I expect you people who are earning 87,000 shillings a month and you are oversighting a governor who has got 15 billion? It's impossible. You don't have allowances, you're pushing yourselves, all these things. We are engaged as a committee and we are going to make sure that we push it to its logical conclusion, because our salary, you look at the salary of the member of parliament and you look at the salary of the member of the county assembly, there's a disconnect. And you've seen this debate coming up over and over. Finally, I wanted to say, Chair, that for me as the Senator of Kisii County, this is a good start, and I believe that after we have engaged throughout the day, the members of the county assembly and indeed the public will be able to see how the Senate works vis-a-vis the responsibility of the senator, the committee, and the members of the county assembly. I wanted to just raise two issues that you had mentioned, and I think if you look at the page at the back, my friend here, yes, he dropped that, and I think you should look at it later. But I wanted to mention to my colleagues here, members of the county assembly chair should understand that we are their friends. In fact, the way you've drafted the statement is like we are adversaries. We are your brothers and friends because we don't even talk to the governors. Sometimes the governors of the same autonomy, the one where they feel senators should not have anything to do with them, and I kind of agree. My business should be you people.